Every photo you've ever taken is flat. But reality isn't flat. Meet the camera that captures reality itself. This is PortalCam, the first true spatial camera. It scans, sees every angle, and recreates worlds. Here's where it gets wild. Your vision, now reality. Watch the streets unfold in 3D. Complete with texture, lighting, and context. Preview shots, test every angle on digital sets, all before day one. Then, step into endless worlds. All from the same studio floor. Every story, any location. The entire world becomes your stage. Here's your portal to infinite film sets. Why show a house when you can share a home? Grab your PortalCam, take a walk, and watch the space come alive. Let clients imagine a life here, from anywhere. Your listings just became experiences. Share the world in one click. Distance won't tamper with interest. Here's your portal to every dream home. Turn anywhere into your playground. Real locations become game worlds. Race through actual streets. Every corner of Earth is now playable. Here's your portal to limitless play. Some moments are too precious for photographs. They deserve to be preserved in full. Years later, step back into that day. See the joy in each other's eyes. Feel the warmth, exactly as it was. Share the moments with the ones you love, over and over again. Here's your portal to forever. PortalCam, the first true spatial camera.